The Boston Red Sox face AL East foe, the Toronto Blue Jays, in their series finale at the Rogers Center on Thursday. Here's your starting lineup presented by People's United Bank. Mookie Betts struck out for the first time in 129 regular season plate appearances on Wednesday. The outfielder works to begin a new streak. He is batting third. Meanwhile, Sandy Leon, who is 2 for his last 21, looks to get his swing back. He's hitting 8th in the lineup. And batting under him is Holt, who will get the start in left field. Lefty Chris Sale, who has a 1.25 ERA so far, will take the mound for the Sox. Game time is 12:37 Eastern. Catch all the action on NESN.